Here's a USB cable, and this portion is a little bit damaged. More exactly, only the outer plastic, this white, is damaged. The cable is okay, it's charging the phone and it's transferring the data. But let's see how to fix it somehow, how to improve the protection of this cable. And to do that, I will use a piece of heat shrink tubing. So this is a kind of plastic which will reduce its size when heat from a heat gun is applied. So this is blowing hot air out of this nozzle, and that hot air will make the size of this tube be reduced, so it will shrink it down. So it's not going to be a perfect fit because here the diameter is larger, there is much smaller, and this tube, it's reducing its size around halfway, so 50%. This passes through this portion, but of course it will not be tight enough for that portion, but at least it will give a little bit of protection so that that portion will not break even more. So I will place it there and that portion will be covered, and then I will heat it up, something like that, and a millimeter here because it will shrink in length also. And let's power it on. It's blowing hot air, and as I place it there, notice the size is getting smaller. Rotate it so it will shrink the other side also. Don't place your hand too close because it will burn you. That air is hot. Notice the size is getting smaller. It will not cover it perfectly. Don't leave it too much because it will burn it, and that's about it. Ouch, it's hot. So let it cool down a little bit, and the protection is done. This portion is covered, that portion is covered, and exactly here it cannot twist, so it's somewhat protected. It will not shrink down even more. So that's a method on how to protect a damaged cable using heat shrink tubing. You can cut these tubes at any length. They are long. You can buy them at different lengths and just cut the length that is needed and pull it over and heat it up, either using a hot air tool or even with the flame of a lighter. But with that you have to be more cautious because it can burn the plastic even faster.